Hello everyone, I go by the name of Roxy Rose, and this right here is Roxy Rose Guides cash stuffing of our savings challenges for the month of May 2024, part number 2. All right, paycheck number 2 at least. Hello everyone, so welcome and welcome back, y'all. I took the day off today. It is like mid-May, and I took the day off because I really needed a reset day for myself. The house was a mess. The weekend took a lot out of me, and I've been really stressed to the point where I've been feeling like my heart literally like tighten over and over every time I think about all the things I need to get done. So I took the day off just as a mental break day or a mental health day, just to get myself together. I told him I was sick, but listen, I am, all right? I need things together. So I have this that I took out from the bank. It's $500 that I took from the bank in order to do this stuffing. But guess what? I went in the closet trying to clean up, trying to get a life together, and I found a bag of money. I'm kind of pissed about that. I found a bag of money. So before we get into that story, I want to go ahead and thank my wonderful subscribers. You are wanted and appreciated. So I thank you so much for coming back onto this channel. Y'all, we hit over 1,000 subscribers, but I'm still trying to get that YouTube paycheck. So go ahead and please just go ahead and play this in the background whenever you're bored or you got nothing to do or you just want to play something, you want to support your girl, help me to be debt free. Well, you can do that by going ahead and like and subscribing if you're new, and go ahead and hit that bell notification and just let my video play in the background. Play me as you come home from work. Play me all day, please, because your help will help me to reach over the threshold of my watch hours, which will let me to get paid. So y'all help me out, man. Help me out. All right. If you're new here, I go through all of my personal budget, finance, and debt payoff, along with other stuff, as in cash stuffing my savings challenges, which is today, and my sinking funds, which will be the next video. So thank you so much for joining me. Now let's get into the story time for this, y'all. I went into my purse that was in, I'm trying to do some spring cleaning, go into the storage area, get a purse, and it almost fell down, and I'm hearing clank, clank inside. I'm like, oh, there's some coins. So I went ahead and got these coins. Guess what? Y'all, there's like wads of cash, like just wads of cash. Like this too, just wads of cash in there. So that I'm going to save for later, but this, was actually money that I forgot to tell y'all about. Y'all, in April, I actually did a garage sale, like a yard sale. First time ever I did a yard sale. So now that I did the yard sale, I'm actually going to go ahead and take this money and stuff it, because why not? Yeah, so here's the money I made from the yard sale, as far as I remember. So let's see. Did I take all the money? Uh-oh, I might have mixed it up somewhere. Yeah, I'm missing a 20. Anyway, all right, so we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So $94 that I got from the yard sale, just like selling old junk. Where I live in Jersey, they have like a whole calendar of events of when you can do a yard sale in your yard without like asking for a permit or whatever. I don't think I'd ever ask for a permit to do a yard sale anyway, but y'all, I made some money. I didn't make 100, but I made just enough, just selling some things, some shoes and a crock pot and some other stuff that we really just don't use. So I figured might as well sell it, and some people came over and took it. They took our trash and made it their treasure and gave me some treasure, okay? They gave us some cash, all right? So now we're going to go ahead and add that to our stuffing here. Our $500. In order to do that, I want to just organize and get everything together. So go ahead and put all this on here as I count it. Okay. All right. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 83. So that's $300. $300. Let me get these tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that's $400. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So that's $500. Leave that up here, $500. Let me get all these fives. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 25, 525. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 525 plus 19. Let's get our handy dandy fancy budgeting calculator together. So 525 plus 19 equals 544. So we are stuffing $544 today. Alrighty, so leave this over here. Put Oinky back. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this stuffing going. I really want to make sure we have what we need. Alright, so let's go ahead and stuff. First things first, I want to go ahead and stuff the things that I know I definitely need to. First, the $20 savings challenge. I started it again, and I'm doing each side. So I did that side last time. So let me do this side. $20 into the savings challenge. The only reason I'm not bubbling it in is because it's actually 2. So each one is actually 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I really only did 2 of them. So I'll organize how. Actually, I'll do it right now. It's really only 2 of them, not 4. So I guess 1 will represent 2 until I fix that. I'll go make a new card. All right, so it's my $20 savings challenge. Definitely available in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Next, I want to go ahead and do my 3-month savings challenge. We are officially about a month behind. Well, at least a half month, because I started in April. It is May, and I'm hoping to end it by the end of June. But we'll see how that goes. So let's do 160. 3, 4, 5, 60. Yep, 160. Actually, I have enough to do specifically 70 plus 7. So let me go ahead and do that. 77 plus 77 equals 154. So 154, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 54. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just want to make sure I have enough to do what I need to do. I could always go back and add more. But at least we're filling up some of this. All right, now let's go ahead and do our scratch and save, which is almost finished, y'all. I'm kind of sad. It's almost done. But I got to make sure I put some stuff in here. So let's see what we got next. $15. Yay! So here's a 10 and a 5. Let me scratch one more time for good luck. Which would be a lot. I hope not. $3. Oh, thank God. I was not trying to put in a lot. 1, 2, 3. Hey, God, it's only $3. Y'all, I love this. It really makes me feel like I won the lottery. Or I'm like, and that's the thing, because you're really putting in money for yourself, right? So it's kind of like you're making yourself win the lottery. So I got about 5 more left, and then we'll be finished. This came from Fancy Budgeting, by the way. Very cute savings challenge. Next, we have Roll the Dice from One Frugal Introvert. Jerry, I love your challenge. So let's go ahead and take this out. Let's see how much we can save. I have the 2 color dice today. Let's see what we get. We got 5 and 6. I'm always getting the 5 and the 6, yo. I'm always getting the 5 and the 6. So if you got 5 and 6, we have 5 and 6. Okay. This is such a cute challenge. I love it. Then the next one is our challenge that we got off of Etsy. A very beautiful challenge. Another scratch out challenge. Yay! I'm only gonna do one this time. I'm a little, I'd be getting ahead of myself, and I really don't need to. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Sorry, I was looking for my little Chinese coin. Let me go ahead and see what's in here. Ooh, there's a lot. $40. Golly. Trying to kill me early. All right. $40. Then we have our self-care challenge from One Frugal Introvert as well. And this self-care challenge is only $10. So let's go ahead and fill $10 up. And slip it in here with the other money that's in here. Next, we have some other small challenges, like So Many Stores, So Little Time from Conversation, and that's $15. Let me go ahead and put $15 in there. Good. And we have Sensual, Elegant, Addictive. I'm trying to save for some perfume. So let's put that in there. And we have Mani Petty, which I would love to go ahead and get. So let's put that in there. All right. So we went through a lot of our savings challenges. But we're not done yet, because we still have this to fill up. Ooh, this big old thickums. All right. It is our 50 envelope savings challenge. And instead of it being in small envelopes like this, it is in this big old, it's in like sleeves for business card. Went ahead and created it. If you're interested in this challenge, please go ahead and look below for my Etsy shop. You can go ahead and get this challenge too. So let's see what else we really need to fill up. A lot that's left. I'm trying to be done with it. So let's start from the back. All right, 37. So let's see if we can do 37. 37. 20, 35, 6, 7. Okay. How about 36? Let's see if we can do 36. 36. Ooh, okay. Trying to get stuff done over here, okay? I'm glad we're done with the 40s. 36. 31. 31. Oh, I should have done 33. I could still do 33 here. 33. $32. Yo, I'm really trying to leave the front just to be like small chump change. You know what I mean? 28. Let's see if we can do 20. 5, 6, 7. I could do 26. I can't do 28. Unless, y'all remember, I have this extra water cash over here that I wasn't using. It's just extra because I didn't have enough to go ahead and put it anywhere. Ooh, I got something I could definitely stuff this. So I have 28. Yo, I'm filling stuff up. Yes, sirree, Bob. I'm filling it up. So let me go ahead and 36, 37, 36, 33, 32, 31, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. Ooh, we still got some cash. Let's see. Maybe we can fill it up. Who knows? All right. Let's see what else. 26. 26. 25. Is there any 6? Oh, 26. Yay. 26. 23. 3, 20. 23. Yes, we do. Ooh, yes. Stuff is getting stuffed. And I have 25 left. What can I do? What can I do? I have no even numbers. And 25 here. We'll just get this over with. 22. Yes. Let me fill those in. $22. Did I do 23? Yes, I did. Y'all, I only have 4 envelopes left and I will be done. I'm so excited. So I'm happy because, y'all, I finished this 50 envelope challenge. Well, Lord, I was speaking early, y'all. I didn't finish yet, okay? But it's still May. It's not June yet. So my goal was to do it in half the year, which is June. So we're able to get this done. That'd be amazing. Go ahead, y'all. You want to donate to help with this? Let me know. I'll shout you out. All right, so let's go ahead and thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you for watching and supporting. I hope you guys have an amazing and wonderful May. We're halfway through. Whew, thank God. And teachers, we about getting done. I think there's a lot of teachers in the South that are going to be done very soon. But up here in the Northeast, we are still got until like mid to the end of June. So thank you so much, wonderful teachers. Don't worry, it's almost over and you could be with your families. You could be on vacation, on a plane somewhere, you know. Happy Memorial Day. I hope you guys take care. God bless and have a wonderful day. Bye.